Hello friends, my name is Lieutenant Vivek Bade from TC College Baramati, Department of Commerce. Now, the pandemic situation has prevailed in our country, but being a teacher and student, you and me cannot stop being educated. And that is the reason today I am come up with a first topic called as an cost and works accounting, that is basics of cost accounting. Dear friends, in this video, we are going to learn about cost, costing, cost accounting, cost accountancy, and limitations of financial accounting, as well as the origin of cost accounting. So let's start. So let's first try to understand what is meant by cost. Cost is nothing but it is an amount of expenditure which is incurred or attributable to a given thing. For example, cost means suppose if I want to make a tea, for making the tea, whatever the material, labor and expenses that is required, that will be considered as an cost. In other words, we can say cost means an amount or the value given for the sacrifice of the resources are generally called as a cost. Costing. Costing is nothing but it is a technique and process of ascertaining cost. I repeat, it is a technique and process of ascertaining cost. Technique means how to calculate the cost, and process means what should be the steps while calculating the cost. So, where the process and technique both are combined, the thing is called as a costing. In this technique, there are some principles and rules which are to be applied for the purpose of ascertaining the cost of product manufactured or the services rendered. For example, while making the tea, what should be the guidelines and the principles regarding recording of the amount of material, recording of the amount of labor, recording of the amount of expenditure. So these rules and regulations, principles and techniques, they are being given in the costing. Next is cost accounting. Cost accounting is nothing but accounting for cost. It means whatever the cost that is being incurred for manufacturing a particular product or for rendering a services, for that purpose, whatever the cost is incurred, that cost will be recorded systematically, classified, and they are being presented in front of the management for the purpose of further decision making. So this is nothing but this is called as cost accounting. So in a simple term, it is called as cost accounting is the process of accounting for cost. It basically begins with a recording of incomes and expenditure, and it ends with the preparation of periodical statements and report for ascertaining and controlling the cost. See here, cost accounting is totally different from the financial accounting. In financial accounting, we are recording incomes and expenditure and the capital and assets, assets and liabilities on a particular historical cost basis. But see, cost accounting here we are trying to understand what items are being considered as an income and expenditure, but in that expenditure what should be the classification of expenditure, whether they are direct expenditure or indirect expenditure, whether the expenditure is regarding direct material or indirect material. So all these points will be considered in cost accounting. Next term is cost accountancy. So according to ICWA, ICW stand for Institute of Cost and Works Accounting of UK, that is United Kingdom. It has defined cost accountancy as the application of costing and cost accounting principles, methods and techniques to the science, art and practice of control and ascertainment of profitability, as well as presentation of information for the purpose of managerial decision making. So here, cost accountancy is a broader term than cost, costing and cost accounting, because in cost accountancy, we are applying the costing principles and techniques, we are recording the cost in a cost accounting, and we are applying the technique of art and science. Science is we are trying to prove something to the society that yes, if you apply the method of costing, then your cost will be so and so. Why it is hard? Because every day, every time we need to practice, try to control the cost, try to improve the quality of a product. So this is nothing but it is called as an art. So cost accounting is nothing but it is application of costing, cost accounting methods, principles and techniques to the science and art and the practice of cost control and ascertainment of profitability, as well as the presentation of all the information for the purpose of managerial decision making. Now in this diagram, as you can see, cost is a smaller term, costing is a broader, cost accounting is broader than cost and costing, and cost accountancy is broader than cost, costing and cost accountancy. It means that cost accountancy is the principles and the guidelines wherein which we can able to understand how to record the cost. In cost accounting, we are nothing but we are doing accounting for cost, and in costing, we are applying the tools and techniques regarding controlling and ascertainment of cost. And cost is nothing but it is an amount of expenditure which is being incurred for manufacturing a particular service or for manufacturing a service or a product.